Yes. Iva tumsakame asitoke. Yes.
Yeah, we are very prepared. We have 21 players around, and we only have one injury issue, but the other 20 are okay. They are ready for any assignment. For us, we always believe that when we have a setback, there must be a comeback, and the comeback must be greater than the setback. So having lost the league, I think it is a motivating factor, because we have to win this one, because we want to be in CECAFA next season. I think all our fans should expect a positive result, and whether they are from Vihiga or Kenya, you know, we are now representing the country. So deep down in our hearts, we know that we are carrying the burden of representing our country on our shoulders. So the best thing we can do is we try the best we can to win the trophy. I think that is the only thank you we can give to Kenyans.
Tumepatiwa hii opportunity ya kurepresent Kenya kwa CECAFA. Ni opportunity poa sana, mimi as a player and also other players, at least tutaweza kushowcase talent zetu internationally. As Vihiga Queens, timu iko juu, sisi hatuna pressure. Though ni task kubwa, but we are ready. Tumeprepare very well. Tuko na support both from our county, our management na pia FKF. So tuko ready kuleta hii kikombe home.